We are going to take a look at Citation Checker in Google Docs through Turnitin Draft Coach. You will need to open your Google Doc. You will select Extensions, Turnitin Draft Coach, and then a panel on the right will open up. For this one, we are going to look at the Citations Check card. You're going to select Go to Citations. You can run an unlimited amount of citation checks for your paper, but before you run a citation check, you need to know that in order for it to work, you must have a bibliography or works cited page, and you also need to have work or quotes or evidence cited within your writing. So on the Turnitin Draft Coach citation check, you will see a list or a link that says, how should I use these checks? You're going to select that link. If you check on the card, it'll give you items to consider. You will then select back to return to that main page, and then back to citations check to run the report. So we're going to run the citations check by clicking Run Citations Check. It will identify a summary overview of potential issues that were flagged. At the section that says Issues, there is an option to choose what should I do with this report. If you select that, it will also give you more cards that will provide additional information to guide you through the results. If you select back to citations to go to those issues again, it identifies the problems. It tells you the problem. You can click on that, and it tells you what the issue is. So, for example, this one, Smith, it's saying, I cited the source within the paper, but it's not referenced in the bibliography. I can select Show Guidance to see more information. My next issue, if you noticed, it says reference with no citation. So in this case, I have it in the bibliography, but I never referred to it within my paper. So I can make edits as needed. I can also look at all references. So it pulls out whatever I have cited, and it also gives me information about the problems. At that point, if I make changes, I can run the check again, and it will scan to make sure I corrected all the errors. Keep in mind, just because something is flagged in Citation Checker, it doesn't necessarily mean the citation is in the correct format that your teacher wants it to be in. It is just checking to make sure that what's in your bibliography and what's in your paper matches. That is a brief overview of Citation Checker.